I don't think this is going to be unique, but data quality. So with a petabyte of data, we're always going to have some that isn't the quality that we need it to be. But the types of data that we have got are quite broad. So when people are using that data for AI, there are all lots of different aspects that you need to consider in terms of data quality. So volume's just not enough. You need the volume, but you also need that volume to be high quality. So definitely data quality is probably our top challenge. So really interested to see how AI can be used to extract data from some unstructured PDFs where we know that there's data in there that can be used. So we're only starting to look at the possibilities there. But I think if we can do things with extracting data from PDF files or files that we've already got, it means that we don't have to go back to the industry and ask for that data again. And I think that can be a really good way that we can use things like Gen AI for a really good benefit for our purpose. So we have created in-house what we call our digital academy. We're a small organisation, so that academy signposts people to other resources, and we're starting to see much more of a call for AI-specific learning, but we've also got quite a lot of learning around data. So that link again between making sure that you've got quality data that you can then use for AI is really important. So we're definitely seeing data visualization, AI, and data literacy as a whole as being sections that people are asking for in terms of the digital academy. In industry, we're then seeing that actually there's a need for skills. So people see data as a value adder in industry. They see digital tools as a cost reduction measure. So those two areas go hand in hand. You've got to make sure that you've got those skills to be able to deal with both aspects.